Hi, I'm Brandon from All American Thrills. We were at Hersheypark this morning for a media event. We're going to take a look at them preparing for springtime in the park. Springtime is just around the corner for another season of fun. Let's take a look at that right now. I'm with Rod Undercuffler, who is on the maintenance team here at Hersheypark. We're seeing a lot of activity. Tell us what we're seeing.
Well, you're seeing the coaster trains being put back in the track. Back when we took them off after last season, they've been in our shop the whole winter months, where they've been rebuilt totally to look like brand new when they come back out. So we're putting them on the track now, and hopefully in a few days, when the temperatures warm up a little bit, they'll be going around the track.
Alrighty, thank you so much.
Sure, that was easy.
Thank you for watching this video. To be kept in the loop for future family-friendly videos, subscribe to us here on YouTube. You can also like All American Thrills on Facebook or follow on Twitter and Instagram. Be sure to check out the related content on your screen right now.